We got field terrorists, man. I just like 5 minutes ago, I just really had to start this video all over because I literally was like I thought I was recording, but I wasn't recording this whole time. So I'm just sitting up here reacting to videos. I ain't even look at the screen until like 10 minutes in. I wasn't paying attention. I thought it was on. That's why I made sure it's on now. But I'm gonna just start off from where I left off. Just then. So it's 11:25. The video an hour long. So oh boy, I hope they big out now.
In Anchorage, Alaska, we witness a classic case of zero situational
And then it was like two videos I already had seen before anyway. So
awareness. While a moose
that's a moose,
a man is so engrossed in working on his car that he completely overlooks the majestic creature.
Trump 2025. Huh? Y'all heard that? Oh. I was just talking.
Even the dog seems to take notice, but the man remains oblivious. Despite the moose passing right by him, he remains unaware of its presence. This serves as a reminder to always maintain awareness and attentiveness to our surroundings.
Damn.
Take a look at this alarming footage. It captures a concerning incident in Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania, where an unknown individual casually approaches a residence and rings the doorbell.
Man, get your weird ass on it. Fuck you doing? Oh, yeah, we got it, nigga. Yeah. Back up, nigga.
Back the fuck up. I want you on my porch. Back the fuck up.
Okay,
I don't give a fuck, bro. Get that.
Your people people set me up and
That's not my people.
Yeah, your people said Rob come change it down.
No.
Yeah, they do.
Fortunately, the homeowner had locked the front door. It serves as a reminder to remain vigilant at all times.
Fast.
Check this doorbell camera footage captured in.
If you got a ring light, I would never open the door, bro, without checking to see who it is or calling, or saying who it is. You feel me? Talking to him.
Right, Alabama. In the video, a man can be seen knocking on the front door of a house. The homeowner opens the door but quickly closes it upon realizing there is a stranger outside.
I just really just said this for the video I'm played. Bro, bitch, you got a ring light. Use your ring light. Talk to him through the ring light. You don't have to open the door to see who he is. Like, what's the point of the ring light? You just got it for no reason.
How you doing? No, excuse me, miss. Excuse me. Excuse me.
Excuse me.
I ain't mean to spook you. I didn't mean to spook you, miss.
This serves as a reminder of the importance of verifying visitors before opening doors, especially at night. Stay safe and cautious.
Facts.
Los Angeles, witness this chilling scene captured in Los Angeles, California, where a group of individuals is seen attempting to steal from a red car. Their target appears to be the catalytic converter. Once they successfully remove it, the car's alarms flare, prompting them to swiftly depart with their ill-gotten prize.
Are they stealing car parts? Imagine riding in the Camaro trying to steal other car parts for another car. It's crazy.
Stay vigilant and consider taking precautions to safeguard your vehicle against such thefts. Captured by a Ring doorbell camera in West Valley City, Utah, this footage shows a woman attempting to enter someone's house. She claims her friend left her car keys inside and she's there to retrieve them. Always exercise caution and verify the identity and intentions of unexpected visitors before granting them access to your home.
Abel said he left his car keys in there, and I'm trying to get the car keys.
She probably got dementia or something.
In Tacoma, Washington, a disturbing incident unfolds. As captured in this video shared by a neighbor.
They got a ski man? Oh, he would have got popped instantly.
To break into the house. Interestingly, they appear to be clearing out the house, as evidenced by the numerous items being removed from inside. Remember to prioritize safety measures and promptly report any suspicious activity to the authorities.
No count. What I just said it in my last video. Your shit can help somebody else. Damn sure if you ain't in the streets for real, bro, call the police. If you ain't in the streets and then that ain't considered snitching. Just call the police. You can save somebody else's life. Stop it happening to them.
I got something to tell you guys.
I knew that was coming.
Guess what? It's an app called Bigo Live.
Bigo.
In Richmond, Virginia, a concerning scene unravels as captured on someone's front porch. A man appears to be in need of assistance, prompting the homeowner to offer help by contacting the police. However, questions arise. Is this plea genuine, or is it merely pretext? It's crucial to exercise caution and assess situations carefully before taking action.
Yeah, trying to get some help.
Hello?
Trying to get some help out
You
here.
need to call the police? You need someone to call the police?
Yes.
Okay, I'll call.
Yes. Thank you.
Nah, you
In
look genuine.
Sacramento,
You look genuine. I ain't
California,
gonna
a
call.
puzzling scene unfolds on someone's porch is captured by a surveillance camera. A woman is seen talking erratically, her words indecipherable. What could be the source of her distress or confusion?
Pregnant though.
That bitch.
Pregnant myself.
Drugs. Kids, please don't do them.
I didn't hate you.
Please don't do them, kids.
Sir.
Kids, please don't do
I
them.
mean, obviously,
Stay in school.
I guess I'm never good. I mean, never let
That
me.
bitch talking to herself.
In Tuscaloosa, Alabama, a strange occurrence unrolls in this footage from a Ring doorbell camera. Take a look at this peculiar individual. What exactly was he up to?
Nah.
Pirate attempts to take
We ain't going past that like we ain't just see that. What the fuck was that nigga doing?
Sir. Nobody cares about me, obviously. I guess I'm never good. I mean, never let me.
In Tuscaloosa, Alabama, a strange occurrence unrolls in this footage from a Ring doorbell camera. Take a look at this peculiar individual. What exactly was he up to? Observe as this porch pirate attempts to take a
That nigga was ain't trying to eat pussy, imaginary pussy. He would have been side to side. This nigga was up and dining. Wow. Wow. Okay.
bike in Huntsville, Alabama. It appears he has a change of heart. It's high time we address the issue of these brazen thieves. Check this out. This peculiar footage unfolds in Arizona, where a man is seen kicking the garbage bins in front of a residence. What could possibly be his motive?
Would have beat his ass. Would have beat that nigga ass.
In Corpus Christi, Texas, an unknown individual is spotted loitering on someone's front porch. The homeowner confronts him and warns of calling the authorities.
Can I help you with something?
Bro, what you doing, bro? Stealing the shit?
I have you on camera. I'll call you the cops.
In response, the man promptly exits the scene.
Motherfucker be weird, man.
You might expect something unsettling if your neighbor suggests watching your doorbell footage at 3 in the morning. Fortunately for this person, the video just shows a happy man having fun outside, grinning and laughing while having a good time.
I think gonna be
Luckily,
hot.
he doesn't seem to be creating any trouble.
He ain't doing nothing. He ain't doing nothing but smiling. 3 o'clock in the morning, they're kind of crazy though, but shit, I need whatever that nigga on.
This footage was captured in Portland, Oregon, where a porch pirate was caught in the act. She swiftly snatched packages and mail before making a hasty retreat.
She got a little don't bite that on her. I don't like no porch pirate, bro.
Better keep those packages in a safe place.
No lie.
horrific tragedy that occurred on April 27, 2023, in a quiet neighborhood in North Ogden, Utah, would forever change the community. With evil intentions, 66-year-old Jeffrey Roberts of Long Beach, California, set off on a voyage that would take him more than 700 miles. With a thick buck and white beard, Jeffrey pulled up to his brother Scott Roberts' house, a retired forestry professor. It started off as any other evening, with Scott and his wife Jody having a quiet meal, but the silence was broken suddenly by the ringing of the doorbell. Jeffrey is seen approaching the front door with composure, and initially declaring that he is going to visit their mother in a video that was recorded by a doorbell camera. The moment Scott told him she wasn't there, the atmosphere quickly shifted. Jeffrey suddenly appeared, pulled a gun, and opened fire while breaking inside the house.
Whoa! What? God damn, y'all going else?
Hey, what's up? What are you doing? I'm just getting by to see Mom. She's not here. Where's she at? In Missouri. What's she doing there? Well, she's living with Lorenzo's mom, who's taking care of her. Really? Well, how long has she been there? About a year. Really?
Oh shit!
However, the terror did not end at the entrance. Not long after, Jeffrey emerged from the home once more. Before withdrawing for a little while, he reappeared, this time with a 12-gauge shotgun hidden inside a brown duffel bag.
Oh shit! I want to know what's the backstory. I didn't know what dude that did this for no reason.
His panting respirations betray the weight of his plans, which would eventually be revealed in the contents of the bag. A menacing armory consisting of 23 fully loaded revolver magazines and a 9mm handgun. The sound of sirens
My
broke.
nigga, all them guns was clipped. He was going out to kill. No count.
The stillness of the evening and rang into the darkness.
Oh no, we ain't doing that.
After a 911 call from a watchful neighbor who heard gunfire, police arrived on the scene without delay.
What's the address of the city of emergency? What city?
North Ogden.
And one more
That's
time,
crazy.
I know what's happening.
It was next door and it sounded like gunshots, but I'm not sure about that.
That's okay. What? Sorry,
But
what
I don't.
from you?
Yeah, we should.
I want to know the backstory.
And there was a guy that walked out of the house in a brown van.
And he put up in a van too, make it more worse. Yeah, he going to do some shit.
Let me see.
He was going to do some shit.
Went to a brown van. Did he leave in the van or?
No, he's still there, but it must not be.
Nevertheless, when they got closer, Jeffrey opened fire on the officers.
Oh, he crashed out.
Starting a terrifying gunfight. 3 of the 5 policemen in attendance gave the same response.
Oh yeah, you ain't winning against the police, but
She's fired! She's fired! She's fired! She's
trying to
fired!
tell you ain't winning.
She's fired!
After the confusion had passed,
Oh, never shoot at the police. That's suicide by cop.
Marking the sudden end of his spree. But this experience was far from over. Thick clouds of black smoke rose from the residence.
Oh.
A somber remnant of the blaze that
Man, that's
Jeffrey
a nice
started
home,
with
too.
first. Scott Roberts was found dead inside the burned out cabin, having died from gunshot wounds from his brother. Jody, his wife, took the brunt of the attack.
Oh, that was. Damn, his own brother did him like that. That's fucked up, man.
meanwhile, but amazingly lived. Later, their daughter Kelsey Turner described the terrifying incidents and disclosed that her mother's survival was due to Scott's brave intervention. He had gone up to Jeffrey and begged Jody to run for her life in a noble act of bravery. In the middle of the immense sadness, Kelsey found a glimmer of comfort in her father's brave sacrifice. Heartbreaking things happened after that awful night. It was a house filled with treasured memories that was now in ruins after being destroyed by fire. Jody's clothes, personal things,
I won't even stay
and
there no more.
belongings were all burnt to ash in the horrific
I ain't
fire.
gonna lie.
People from the community rallied around her, sending their condolences and warm memories of
That's
Scott.
sad,
He was
dog.
regarded as a wise, compassionate, and witty individual. One fact became clear as detectives tried to determine Jeffrey's motivation. Family ties can be complex and, regrettably, very harmful. The events of that evening serve as a somber reminder of the unpredictable nature of life and the enormous effects that one person's decisions may have on a community as a whole.
Yeah.
It's one thing to have a stranger knock on your door, but it becomes more complicated when it's your neighbor. The homeowner's neighbor can be seen in this doorbell video acting strange, probably from drug use, raising a commotion outside the door. After pacing up and down the stairs and ranting to herself, the woman finally reaches the door, asking if the person inside had spoken to her. She knocks. The video ends when the homeowner opens the door
Oh, we gotta be my people, bro. Always.
and kindly requests that she not bother them anymore with her knocks.
I bet. She on some type of drugs and it ain't marijuana.
No.
It's essential to stay vigilant and safeguard your belongings. This security camera footage captured a porch pirate stealing bags of cans in Medford, Oregon. Always take necessary precautions to protect your property.
Motherfucker trying to get bags and shit just to get a little couple of dollars. It's crazy.
Not
Not gonna even lie.
anyone can monetize with ads.
I'm gonna do one.
As
I'm gonna let one more play go.
behind the ad network.
That's crazy though. I ain't gonna lie.
In this unsettling video from Salem, Oregon, a woman exhibiting strange behavior approaches someone's
That bitch a meth head. That bitch.
porch and rings a doorbell. It's unclear what her intentions are, but her actions are certainly concerning. Be observant always and keep your
What
doors
the
locked at
fuck?
all times.
She alright? That bitch tweaking. That bitch need to be in rehab.
Being unexpectedly approached by the police, especially when it seems to be late at night, is not something that happens very often. It can make one consider a variety of situations and all the mistakes they have ever made that could have brought them to this point. But in this particular case, it had more to do with the homeowner's brother-in-law than it did with him. The obvious look of remorse on his brother's face proves that he made a mistake. What then transpired? Thinking that the neighbor's house was where he was supposed to be, he climbed the fence by mistake. It makes sense that when they saw a stranger climbing their fence, the neighbors were worried and phoned the police. Luckily, things did not go out of hand, but the homeowner must have been uneasy when so many police officers showed up at his door.
Can you see me?
That ain't bad. That ain't so bad. I'm gonna stop it right here, man. If this video go good, I'm gonna do a part 2. You feel me? That bitch said, see you when I see y'all motherfuckers. Let's ride, man. Let's get it.